So a quick video today just to let you guys know that FunnelKit is having a sale for Halloween. I've been late to the party. I only just stumbled upon this myself when I was filming a video today, but I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And if you click that, you'll land on a page that looks like this one here. And you can see they're giving 45% off for the next 5 hours. So I'm going to try and get this out as fast as possible. But you're going to save, you can see, from 300 down to 159 for the funnel builder. Or if you want the funnel builder plus the automations plugin, that's 219 down from 399. Now, recently I've published a lot of videos about these two plugins on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in learning more in the next 5 hours, if you go to my YouTube channel and then click on playlists, you can see that I have a FunnelKit one over here, which is for the funnel builder. And then I have FunnelKit automations down here, which is for the automation side. So the two different plugins are covered in many of my videos on my YouTube channel. There's 9 here and 18 there. So definitely have a look at those videos to see some of the features that it can offer you. But I didn't just want to make this video today to just be about that this is the sale and this is the price. I actually want to show you in this video today what the difference is between the funnel builder and the funnel builder plus automations packages by giving you guys a teaser of a video that I've been filming today, which is all about adding fields into our WooCommerce checkout form and maybe even removing some. So basically customizing the fields in our WooCommerce checkout form. And then when people go through our checkout process and enter details in those custom checkout fields, getting that data and then sending them into emails that look nice that you can design using a drag and drop builder. So we're going to do this really, really fast today. But by the end of this, you should know if you should get the funnel builder or the funnel builder plus automations package, because this demonstration that I'm about to give is a great overview of how they actually work. But remember, this is a fast-paced video because a whole separate in-depth video will be released on editing the fields in your checkout form in the next couple of days. So let's get into it and let's go ahead and customize our WooCommerce checkout form. So here I am in my demo website, and you can see here we have a FunnelKit menu item, and that is the funnel builder. And then we have FunnelKit automations, which is the automations add-on. So too long didn't read. If in this video today you want anything that is under here, you'll need to purchase the add-on over here. But for the $60 or so price difference between these two packages, I highly recommend just getting the automations add-on and playing around with it. And if you don't like it, I'm sure you could like downgrade or something like that. But I really do feel like every WooCommerce store could benefit from having the automations plugin. So before we go messing around with our WooCommerce checkout fields, let's go ahead and just see what it looks like out of the box here. So I'm going to go to the shop page, scroll down. I'll add this to cart. We'll go view cart. We'll go down and we'll go proceed to checkout. And this is what it looks like. So this is the design that comes with the default Astra WordPress theme. This is what the checkout page looks like. So let's go ahead and customize this. So back in our dashboard area, we're going to go here under FunnelKit, and then we're going to go to store checkouts. And remember, everything under this menu item here is what you get when you buy the funnel builder. So this plan here or that plan there. So I'm going to go FunnelKit and we're going to go to store checkout. And then I'm going to create a checkout, and you can select your page builder up there. So Elementor, Divi, Gutenberg, Oxygen, the theme customizer. If you're using one that isn't listed here, like Beaver Builder or Bricks Builder, you just design it using your page builder and then you get shortcodes. So if I choose shortcode here and then went checkout form, then I would get a shortcode that I would just put into a text widget inside of Bricks Builder or whatever, and that would render the checkout form in my Bricks Builder designed page. But for now, to keep this video simple, I'm going to choose Gutenberg because everyone has Gutenberg. And then you can see we have some designs here that we could choose from. You can preview all of these. I'm going to preview this one Shopee, so I'll click preview. And this one here looks like Shopify's. And I just love how clean it is. I feel like people are used to seeing this like this. So I don't know. This is the one that I always start with. To give you guys an overview of the other ones that you get with the funnel builder, if I click here, it looks like this. Quite nice as well. If we click here, looks like that. That's actually a really nice one as well. I might actually go with that one for this demonstration. But you can see up here, you can have a 1-step, which is what it currently is. You could also go to 2-step, which now you have information and then payment, or you could go 3-step, which is information, shipping, and then payment. I might actually do the 3-step, and I'm going to go import this template, and I'm going to call this global checkout design, and then I'll go add, and now that's there. So because under our store checkout, we've added that design, WooCommerce already knows to use that because FunnelKit has told it to do that with its code inside the plugin. So if we go back to our checkout page here and just reload reload the page. So I'll just reload now. You can see that we have that design all ready to go. So your user would come into here and they would put in their information. From the information tab, they'd go proceed to next step. They would go here. They can review all the details from the previous step to make sure they're not spelling anything wrong. Then they choose their shipping down here under shipping, go proceed to final step. The final step is the payment. So I don't have anything set up here. I don't have Stripe or PayPal. This is just a demo website. So this is what our checkout page looks like. And again, this is all part of the Funnel Builder plugin. Now let's go ahead and add some custom fields to our checkout form. So let's go back to our admin area. So again, under FunnelKit, the store checkout, we're going to go in and edit this checkout page. So I'll click edit. So that's our design. And then fields, if we click on that, this is where we customize the fields. So step 1, customer information and shipping address. And then step 2 is their shipping method. And then step 3 would be where we take payment. And this is just mimicking here. Step 1, customer information, then shipping address. Step 2 is shipping. If we go here, the shipping method, and then next is the payment. So for this demonstration, let's just say that our customers are able to go and add a message for a gift, right? So people can go through the checkout process and they can say, I'm buying this for someone else. I want to include this message in the box when you ship it. So here under step 2, where it says shipping method, let's add a new section. So the section name will say gift message, the subheading. If this is a gift, please write a message and we'll include this with your order. So I'll go add section and we might just drag that up a little bit. So that's the first thing on that step 2. So now that we've created this section, let's go ahead and scroll down and we're going to add a new field. So I'll click add new field and we'll make it single line text and we'll say, and then here we'll say for the label, it's a gift message. And here for the field ID, so the order meta key, which this is important. We'll come back to this in a little bit, but just remember this, gift underscore message. We won't put a default, won't put a placeholder, and we're not going to make this required because maybe it's not a gift. We will show this on the thank you page and we'll show this in the order email. So remember that. So I'll go add field. So now that's created here inside of FunnelKit. And then I'll just drag this into this step 2 like that. And I'll go save changes. So now back in our checkout, let's reload the checkout page. So this is step 1, which is as it was. We'll go to proceed to next step. This is the shipping. And now it says gift message. If this is a gift, please write a message and we'll include this with your order. So here I'm going to say, love you, mum. I'm going to spell it like an Australian. And we're going to go proceed to final step. And now this is all done. So I'm going to go ahead and place this order for now. So I'll go place order now. So now we land on the thank you page. And if we scroll down, we can see that custom field here is output there. And remember, that was if we edit the field again. So I'll click to edit, show on thank you page. We had that enabled. We also had this set to show in the order email. So here I am in my inbox as that customer. And if I go down, there's our order. And then down here, gift message, love you, mum. And that was that message there. So that's a quick overview of some of the features that you get when you purchase the Funnel Builder, this plugin there, which is also over here in that package. So now let's look at what you can do with that custom field if you go ahead and use the automations add-on. So the automations add-on, everything that you get with that plugin is available under here, as I said previously in this video. So we're going to go down to automations and I'm going to go ahead and click add new automation and I'm going to say start from scratch and I'm going to call this order created and I'll click create. And now we're in the automation builder and now we're in the automation builder. And if you're not sure what is going on right now, just stick around just a little bit longer because we're going to tie all of this in. It's going to make so much sense and it really is simple but incredibly powerful. So here I'm going to select a trigger and I'm going to search for order created. So when an order is created and I'll go done. And then here when the order is created and then put into processing status. So we took payment. We want to run it for multiple times for the contact, obviously, because they can order multiple times and we want to run it multiple times. But this doesn't really apply in this scenario because as soon as it runs, they exit the automation anyway because we're done with them. But I just like to do it. So let's just go ahead and click save. So when an order is created, we can do something. And here I'm going to click to add an action. And when an order is created, I'm going to send an email and I'll go done. And this email is going to go to the contact, so the person that made the order, so the customer. And I'm going to say as the subject in the email, your order has been received. And we're going to put the ID in here. So I'll go hash. And then over here, you have what are called merge tags. You probably know what these are. If I click here, it's just dynamic data. So if I go under order, we can find the order ID, which is here. So I click this and that copies it to clipboard. And then we paste that in there. Now coming down, let's go ahead. And this one that comes default with WooCommerce, let's go ahead and recreate create this. So it says hi and then the person's name, just to let you know we received your order ID, the order number is now being processed, and that just lists what the person bought, and then the billing and shipping details. So back here in the automation builder, I'll just paste that. So hi Grant, so we have the contact name up there, so I'll just get rid of that. Just to let you know we've received your order and then the order ID, so I'll just get rid of that and we'll use the merge tag again. So to do that, we go merge tags, order, and there's the order ID. So I'll go copy and paste that there, and is now being processed. And I'm going to go ahead and add a heading here. So I'll go up and I'll go heading 2. Here is what you ordered today. And then over here, we actually have a merge tag to output this table here. So on a new line, I'll go merge tags and then order. And then we're going to go down to order summary. So I'm just going to copy this and I'll paste that there. So we can go down a little bit and we could say show preview. So if I click on this, and I think it gets the most recent order inside of WooCommerce and then generates that preview using that. So you can see this is what it's going to look like. Hi Grant, just to let you know we received your order 266. Here is what you ordered today. And then your order number, it outputs that table. So coming back, we could go ahead and do the billing and shipping address, but we also need to output this gift message here. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to quickly copy that and paste that there. So I just added this section. Is this a gift? If this is a gift and you wrote a message at checkout, it will be listed below. If not, no stress, we'll send your order out ASAP. So here we just want to output the message. So I'm just going to go new line. And if we go up a little bit, we just need to output a merge tag there. So I'll go merge tags and then order. And then we want to use this one here, order data. So if I click on this, see how these ones had the copy icon? So that would copy the merge tag to clipboard. When you see this gear icon, it means there's settings for this merge tag. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to launch the settings. So I'll go click. And now it wants to know what our meta key is. So our meta key, if you recall, coming back to where we edited our checkout form, the gift message field, if I click into this, you can see here gift message and then the field ID is this. So gift underscore message. So again, if we go down here and just did a new field, so I go new field, the field ID is the meta key, which is what it's asking for here. So for our field, if I click back into it, the field ID, aka the meta key, is gift underscore message. So I'm going to copy this and then I'm just going to paste that in there. That generates the merge tag that we need. So I'm going to go like this, or you just click copy. So I go copy, and then I'm going to go down and paste that there. So let's go ahead and save this and then exit out of it. And we need to make sure we turn this on. So we'll activate this and now that's live. So let's go and do a test order and see how this all works. So here I am in the demo website and I'll go down and I'll add the belt to cart and then I'll go up and go to the checkout page. This is our form. We're on step 1. That looks good. Go to step 2, review our details. That's all correct. Gift message. And here I'll say, hi bro, happy birthday. And I'll go proceed to final step and we'll place our order. And then on the thank you page, we can see gift message, hi bro, happy birthday. Now inside of WooCommerce, if we click into that order and go down, you can see custom fields, gift message, hi bro, happy birthday. So that's all in there. We don't have to do anything there. But you can see, of course, this order was created and then put into processing status. Our automation is triggered. So order created, in processing status, then the action goes send the email. So let's go to our inbox, which is here, and let's click into this one here. So hi Grant, just to let you know we've received your order and it's now being processed. Here's what you ordered today. It lists it all. And then here, is it a gift? It has our gift message listed there, so they can see any spelling mistakes. So that there is a really good example of how you can combine the funnel builder plugin with the automations plugin to just do some more complex things inside of your WooCommerce website. So that's why I would recommend everyone give the automations plugin a go. You can do so much stuff with the automation builder, stuff that you haven't planned for. But once you get in there and you start playing around with what's available, like the events, and you go to WooCommerce, if this happens, like if a customer buys a specific product, send them specific emails. You can do abandoned carts from within here to make more sales. You can change user roles when they buy a specific product. You can do a lot of stuff just from the automation builder. And so for the $60, I would just recommend giving it a go and trying it out. Now, while we're here, let's just do a couple of other things before I wrap up today's video, because I do want to get it published before the actual sale ends. Otherwise, this whole video is pointless. So if we have a look here, we've really replaced the auto processing email that comes with WooCommerce with this one inside the automations plugin. So what we could do is go to WooCommerce and we could go to settings and then go to emails and then here processing order for the customer. We could click into this and we could disable this and save. And if we go back, now when an order is created created and we take payment and it's moved into processing status, no email goes to the customer from WooCommerce. The email comes from our automation here inside of FunnelKit. And inside my WooCommerce website, I've gone ahead and I've been able to disable all of these emails here and have the automations plugin inside of FunnelKit send all of those emails out for me. So I don't have any of them currently here inside of WooCommerce. And why this is really powerful is explained best in this video here. So I'll link that in the description below under this video today. I show you how you can use the automations plugin that we've looked at today to go ahead and customize your emails for WooCommerce using a drag and drop builder. So this video here, it's 16 minutes, it's in depth. I would definitely recommend watching that video, but I'm going to give you a very brief overview of what this video goes through now in today's video. So coming back to this email that we've created, it's a bit plain, like it works, but it's a little bit boring. So how about we go and make it look a little bit more professional? So back here in the FunnelKit automations plugin, we can click on the email action and then go down. You can see I designed this email using rich text, which looked like that. But if I just copy this and then we go up a little bit, we can swap to the visual builder. So if I click on visual builder and then click start, now we're customizing this email using a drag and drop email builder. So let's go ahead and recreate that email and make it look a little bit more professional using this builder. So to start, I'm just going to go ahead and drag in a text field there, and I'm just going to paste all the content that we had originally from the rich text. And then I'm going to start migrating it into different blocks and making it look better. So I'm going to copy that from there and I'm going to go up here and paste that there so I can get rid of that. And let's go ahead and add our logo. So I'll get out of this and I'm going to drag a column right at the top and I'm going to make this have a black background. So I'll go down, I'll go background color and it's going to be black and I'll click add content and we're going to add an image. So I'll drag that in. I'm just going to add my logo. So I'll go upload image and I'll search for the logo. So now I've added it there and I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, obviously. So I'll drag that down like that and then get out of that. So I'm just going to add another row under here and then I'm going to drag this one into that row up there. So this is going to have the gray background. I'll add another column just under here. I'm going to give this a white background. So I'll go down and go background white and then exiting out of that, I'm going to add some text into here. And then here for the text, I'm just going to copy this heading and put that in there. So I'll change that to say 24 and then I'll copy this merge tag and I'll put that there. And let's give this some padding. Let's make it look a little bit more spacious. So I'm going to click into here and we'll go down. So here for padding, I'm going to go more options and I'm going to make 30 on the top and then 30 on the bottom. Maybe it's a bit too much. Let's go 20 and 20. And this one as well. So we'll go down padding, more options and we'll go 20 top, 20 bottom, maybe 25 there. And then this I might actually make a little bit bolder and italicize it just so it stands out. And I might make the font size just a little bit larger so it stands out. And processed, I might highlight that just so people don't miss it and I'll say green. So that's looking good. So we'll go down and then here I'm just going to get rid of this and then that I'm going to clone and then I'm going to move that into here and I'll clone this as well and move that down there. And now I just need to replace this with the GIF. So is this a GIF and copy from down here and paste that there. And I'm just going to space this out and maybe the message we can make stand out a little bit more. And then we can just get rid of that there. And then down the bottom, let's go ahead and make this maybe a white and give it some padding. And just the icing on the cake down here, let's go ahead and add one more row. And then for the content, we'll add that. We'll add an image into there. And here we'll select from our image library. And let's go down and let's just say it's a yoga website. So we can go ahead and select this one, go select image like that. So this would be our final thing. It's very basic. You guys could do a lot better. I'm just doing this very fast. So let's exit out of this. Now that becomes our live email template. Now you could save that as a template and reuse it throughout multiple emails that you create using your automations. That's a whole separate video. But for now, we're just going to leave that there for this particular thing. If we go down, we can click show preview and get an idea of how that might look with a live order. So I mean, it looks pretty good, nice and clean, a lot better than the default WooCommerce email. So I exit out of that and then we'll click save and close. Now, before we go and do a test order and see how that actually looks, I want to go back to our admin area and here under FunnelKit and then store checkout, I want to add a new step and it's going to be a thank you page. And let's choose this one here. So preview, I think it matches the one that we have now on our website. Looks quite similar. So I'll go import template and we'll just call this global thank you and I'll go add. And now that's set up. So let's go and do our test order. So we'll go back and I'll go shop. Let's go down. I'll go beanie with the logo, view cart, and I'll go proceed to checkout. So here we are. So proceed to next step, gift message, happy birthday, Grant. There we go. Proceed to final step and we'll say place order. So we land on the thank you page that we just selected. So a lot better than the out of the box Astra theme that we had before. Gift message, happy birthday, Grant. Back here in our email, if I click into it, you can see it has that new design. So your order has been received. Just to let you know, we've received your order. It is now being processed. Here is what you ordered. So it outputs that. It's all good. Is this a gift? Happy birthday, Grant. We have the picture and it looks like that. So again, you could set this up for every WooCommerce email that you already have out of the box with WooCommerce. You could replace it. And you can also do any other sort of email that you can think of that you could put inside of an automation that would go out based on a trigger. So I'm going to wrap this up because there's 4 hours left of this sale and I don't want to make this video meaningless. So I'm going to quickly edit it, upload it. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like and I'll see you guys in the next video.